Hi, my name's Nancy and I'm 8 years old and from Wrexham and I'm the Junior Journal.
Hello, okay? You doing alright?
Are you okay? Go on ahead. Okay. Hello,
What's your name?
Nancy.
Hello, nice to meet you. You picked a beautiful day, haven't you? Is this a day off school?
Yeah.
Oh, do you like school though?
No.
Do you not?
No.
No, you like my daughter. My daughter hates school. I used to love it. Best days of your life, isn't it? Apparently. He's got the second best left foot ever. Ever. Second best. Do you know who the first best is? No! No!
What made you start playing football?
I think it was just something I enjoyed from a young age. I think I used to go and watch my dad play a lot when I was younger, and seeing him play every weekend made me want to kick a ball about.
How many goals did you score when you were at Wrexham?
Oh, I got one goal. Not a bad one actually by my standards, so probably before you were born, I imagine.
What makes you happier, playing for Wales or playing for your other team?
Definitely playing for Wales. I think it's a real honour every time you put the Wales top on, so playing for Wales is good.
Do you have any children and do they play football?
I don't have no children. I think my mum wouldn't be too happy if I did because I'm only just turned 23, so...
What kind of boots would you have? New style or old style?
I like to wear the new ones because I like to look good on the pitch, and if you look good, you feel good. I actually wear the ones you got on now at the moment, so I have to keep up when the new colour comes out from Nike, get some pocket money and buy them.
Who's better at overhead kicks, you or Gareth Bale?
I've only ever played with him and against him on FIFA and stuff like that, so it's a bit different to actually see him in the flesh, isn't it? The best moment by a mile, you know, obviously everyone dreams of scoring, let alone scoring for your country on your full debut kind of thing. That's not bad now. I've got it saved on my phone, to be fair. I watch it a lot of the time when I'm sad or just before a game for Swansea. I like to watch it and just remind myself that I can actually score. You know, I was on loan with the goalkeeper that I scored against, and after the game he was just like, "Oh, can't believe you scored." And then I actually played for Swansea against Middlesbrough. I think it was 2 weeks after it, and before the game he tapped me on the shoulder. He said, "Just please don't score again." I said, "Don't think there's much chance of that happening, to be honest." Perhaps you can play for Wales one day. I know a couple of the girls who play for Wales football team, Lauren Dykes. Keep on working hard, try your best, and you never know.